I'm sure you've all heard of some impressive tech, but have you heard of these game changers? Get ready to be blown away as we unveil these cutting-edge devices that are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Welcome to Tech Beads, and let's get started. Introducing the Gelrova Car Star 6 driver version, an LED sign designed for professional drivers, boasting 17 preset signals switchable via remote control. Among these, 11 provide constant illumination for emergencies, covering scenarios like calling 911, indicating availability for taxi services, signaling carpooling, and more. For added convenience, 6 signals automatically switch off after 30 seconds, including gestures like waving hello or signaling a U-turn. With the accompanying app, available for both Apple and Android devices, users can customize their LED display with free draw, text, images, GIFs, and access a vast online library. Crafted with a flexible IP68 polymer, the panel maintains durability while resisting water and dust. It's easily attached to any window without glue and includes adhesive pieces for permanent installation. The package also includes a multifunction remote and a 4M plus USB cable for versatile placement in your car, business, or home. Experience the freedom of expression on the road with the Gelrova Car Star 6 driver version, available at an affordable price of $70. Presenting the LARK M2 from Hollyland, an ultra-lightweight wireless microphone ideal for vloggers, YouTubers, and content creators seeking pristine audio quality. Compatible with cameras, cell phones, and more, this system offers various package options to suit your needs. The combo version includes 2 tiny transmitters with built-in microphones and a choice of receiver, such as a camera, Lightning, or USB-C receiver. Impressively compact, these transmitters weigh only 9 grams, ensuring minimal interference with your appearance on screen. The combo package also comes with a charging case, powered by a single USB-C cable, and requires no pairing for immediate use. Additionally, the mobile receivers draw power directly from the connected device. Available for around $178 on Amazon, the LARK M2 delivers professional-grade audio convenience in a compact package. Meet the Huion Note, a multifunctional tool that surpasses the typical graphics tablet. Anything you sketch or write on paper gets seamlessly duplicated onto your phone, creating editable digital notebooks. With options like text edition, color variations, and a lasso tool, your creations are exportable and editable in PDF format. It's perfect for important meetings with easy sharing options afterward. The provided A5 notebook contains 50 pages, and replacements can be ordered or sourced elsewhere. The accompanying app offers various paper types and colors, with modes like to-do lists and weekly planners. Additionally, the Huion Note can double as a traditional graphics tablet when you swap out the notebook for a brown panel card. Available on Amazon for $120, it's a versatile tool for all your creative and professional needs. Well, one of the key aspects of getting a tattoo is its permanence. But what if you could have a tattoo that you can turn on and off? It's an intriguing concept. A professor at Boulder has ingeniously combined science and what can only be described as magic to develop an ink that does just that. Inside an engineering lab in Boulder, the innovation is truly remarkable. The science behind it feels nothing short of magical. Dr. Carson Bruns has dedicated roughly 100 hours to being tattooed, and he's a pivotal part of this story. After approximately 6 years of work, what's emerged is a tattoo that can be activated and deactivated with different colors of light. LEDs make this possible, and when done by a professional, the tattoo can be turned off with bright white light and back on with UV light. It's as if there's an eraser built into the ink. This breakthrough is particularly appealing for those who might be a bit hesitant about getting a traditional tattoo. The patented magic ink is currently in the process of being commercialized. Bruns has partnered with Bang Bang, a renowned tattoo artist and owner of New York City-based shops, with plans to showcase body art utilizing this ink within the next 3 to 6 months. Beyond its artistic applications, Bruns is excited about the potential this technology could have for individuals undergoing radiation therapy. Many of these patients find the permanent tattoos they receive during treatment to be constant reminders of trauma and would prefer not to have them. However, there's still work to be done before this becomes a reality as a new frontier in the age-old art form. Another intriguing project Bruns is working on is tattooable sunscreen. The goal is to develop a permanent sunscreen that provides lifelong protection, but this idea is still in progress. Discover the Nightride Ranger, an infrared camera engineered to excel across various applications. This cutting-edge device offers unparalleled visibility, providing a clear view up to a quarter miles ahead even in the most challenging conditions, including darkness, rain, snow, and fog. Its compact and lightweight design ensures effortless installation, taking just 5 minutes to mount onto any vehicle or to be handheld with a GoPro mount. What sets the Nightride Ranger apart is its seamless integration with the Nightride app, available on both the App Store and Google Play. Through local Wi-Fi pairing, you can stream real-time video directly to your smartphone, tablet, or laptop without the need for an internet connection. This user-friendly interface allows for quick and easy operation, ensuring that you can navigate through your surroundings with ease. Whether you're embarking on a nightly drive, exploring the great outdoors, or engaged in search and rescue missions, the Nightride Ranger offers unparalleled versatility. Attach it to a light system for enhanced panning and tilting capabilities, or detach it for handheld use to explore areas where traditional visibility is limited. Its potential applications are virtually limitless, making it an invaluable tool for any adventure seeker or professional driver. Priced at $1,895, the Nightride Ranger is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in superior performance and reliability. Listen in, this is the real deal. Smartphone-controlled stove knobs are making waves, and they're not just some gimmick. According to their creators, these nifty gadgets can actually help reduce gas or electricity usage. The knobs flash in red and blue to indicate the intensity of heat the burners are generating. But here's the kicker, they're a tad larger than your regular knobs and need occasional removal for charging. Installing them might require a bit of head scratching, especially without the manual. And the price tag? Well, you'll have to shell out $150 for just one. So, who's up for the challenge of saving some bucks while upgrading their kitchen game? This automatic cat feeder not only ensures your pet is well fed, but also impresses with its additional features. To access the food, your cat embarks on a unique journey through a special tube lined with Velcro. No shortcuts permitted. After the whole adventure, any loose hair that might have ended up scattered across your carpet remains neatly contained in one spot. With this product, you can keep your pets fed and your apartment tidy, all for $128. Let's be honest, the AR headsets from Apple and Sony might come off a bit flashy. Wearers often resemble aliens. However, Rayneo offers a sleeker alternative. Their glasses look just like regular eyewear. Take the X2 model, for instance. It's capable of handling voice commands, mapping out routes, recording video, and even translating speech from other languages with minimal delay. Of course, quality comes at a price. These glasses will cost you over $250, so it's wise to ensure they're kept safe in their sturdy case. The minds behind TelloZet may have initially aimed for careers at Boeing or Airbus, but fate steered them in a different direction. Rather than fitting jet engines beneath airplane wings, they devised something unexpected: a fan. Shaped like a ball, this fan has the unique ability to spin both vertically and horizontally by 90 degrees. Equipped with a touchscreen control panel and a classic remote featuring an infrared signal, it's a sophisticated piece of technology. The creators are adamant that their fan replicates the sensation of a sea breeze, a tempting claim indeed. However, there's still a lingering concern about feeling like a seagull caught in the turbulence of a 747's engine. Allow me to introduce you to a remarkable innovation, the M1. But hold on, we're not delving into the realm of yet another revolutionary Apple chip. No, the M1 is something different altogether, an ingenious contraption tailored for aficionados of all-in-one utilities. This sleek gadget endeavors to supplant your television remote, your car keys, and naturally, your bank cards. Powered by the ubiquitous STM32H processor, it boasts an impressive battery life of 14 hours. With a starting price of $89, the question arises, is splurging extra for a remote truly worthwhile? It's worth considering that your car remains inaccessible without it. Ultimately, that decision rests with each individual. If this invention gains traction, it could completely transform traditional fishing. This fishing rod alerts you when the line twitches, marking the onset of a new technological trend. And here's the kicker. If you happen to step away from your rod, a keychain equipped with 4 lights for each rod will notify you. Now, the price for this device hovers around $150. But hey, if you're no longer stuck staring at the float for hours on end, what's the point of fishing, right? Enhancing your phone's volume goes beyond relying on bulky speakers. It's about fine-tuning sound waves mechanically. Yanko's creation is tailored for devices featuring bottom speakers. Crafted from a single piece of aluminum alloy, the same material used in airplanes, it resonates, producing exceptional loudness. And here's the beauty of it. No wires, no batteries, just a piece of metal. All this for $179.